Hey, excuse me.
Me?
No, not you. You.
Me?
Yes, please come.
It's okay.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you going somewhere? Where are you headed?
Yeah, I'm going out with my friend.
Your friend? It's okay. I have a job offer for you.
Job offer?
Of course.
Okay.
I have $2,000 for you. All right?
$2,000.
Oh, yes.
Baby, I hope everything is fine.
Yes, babe. Everything is fine. He's just asking for directions.
Oh, direction. Okay.
Yes, I'm coming, my
Yes. But before I give you the money, you will have to come with me.
love. Sir, won't you tell me the type of job I'm going to do?
Don't worry, when we get there, you will find out yourself. It's an easy job. Yeah, something that you can do, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Something a beautiful girl like you can do.
And after that, you give me $2,000.
I can even add more to it. Yes.
Okay, no problem. But the problem is, I can't go with you now. So just tell me where to meet you. Then I'll come there and meet you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Then meet me at number 9 St. John Street.
Number 9, that is the next street.
The next street there. I'll be there waiting for you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay? There's a building. There's ongoing projects there. Come inside that building.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, sir.
I'll wait for you. You have 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't forget. 5 minutes and this will be yours. All of this.
Okay, sir.
If you be a good girl. All right?
I'll be there.
I'll see you there. Okay? See you when I see you.
$2,000. Wow. That would be smart and beautiful work. I can even give my man out of that $2,000 at least to help his life. I have to do this. I have to go. It's just like sharp, I'm done. Right? Go.
Babe.
Yeah.
I hope everything is fine.
Everything is fine, yes.
Were you able to direct him?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Aish,
What is going on?
My goodness.
What is it?
Babe, I think my monthly flow just started.
We are going somewhere.
Babe.
We almost where we are going to.
Please, I need to go back. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
I'm not expecting that this will stop us from where we are going to. Where we're going to is very important.
Yes, I know it's portable, babe. I will get staying. I need to go and freshen up, then tidy up everything.
So I should go.
Yes, I'll meet you there. Just go. Okay? I'll meet you.
Just tidy up yourself, okay? I'll be
Okay,
waiting
my
for
love.
you, okay?
I'm coming.
All right.
All
Don't keep
right.
me waiting.
I won't.
All right, babe.
All
See
right.
you. Love you.
I love you too. Bye. Number 9 St. John. So I'm here.
Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Well done. You came right in time. So you are here for the job.
Yes, sir.
You said you can do anything for the money.
Yes, sir, I can.
Anything for the money?
Yes.
Are you sure? All right then. Go down on your knees. Go down on your knees. Are you surprised? Huh?
Yes, I'm surprised.
Raise your hands up. Okay. You want the money? Don't you want the money? You can have it. Hold it. Now, I need you to do something for me. The last thing that you will do for me. And I'll add more money to you. Betray somebody that you love. Can you do that for me?
How, sir?
Never mind. You already did. First of all, take a good look at behind you.
Bravo. Bravo. I have to clap for you because you are a wonderful actor. This is the monthly flow that you told me that you want to go and take care of. This is it. What do you have to say? I caught you red-handed. So you're like this.
Now you've seen for yourself that this lady is not what you've always wanted.
No, baby.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.